Hello, this is Brian Gill, and this is my Analyzing Restaurant Trends presentation for the Business Intelligence Master of Science, Class BIN 610, Patterns and Recognition with Full Sail University. I've heard it said many times that in order to make $1 million in the restaurant industry, you have to spend $2 million. While that may be the case for many people, through the use of data analysis and analyzing the restaurant industry market trends, hopefully we can reduce the risks and the operating costs to make this a little bit easier. So we started off going over some of the data at qsrmagazine.com. We found that even though a couple of them were still showing profit, like McDonald's, they were kind of dropping off and trying brand new different things that they really had no idea whether or not they would stick. These five in the moving up category, Starbucks, Subway, Dunkin' Donuts, Jimmy John's, and Taco Bell, those were the ones that were showing the most growth over the past couple of years. Likewise, we also have the ones that were moving down. These are at the bottom of the charts. KFC, Long John Silver's, Arby's, Wendy's, and Church's Chicken. These are the ones that have ended up closing restaurants or had lost profit continuously over the past 5 years. So in the first sales analysis, we're showing the first and the second. These are the first two that are in the up category and the first and second in the down category. Um, these are the absolute top and the absolute bottom of the list, and they have pretty much stayed there for the past 4 years. Next we have the third and fourth place. Dunkin' Donuts, Jimmy John's, just under Starbucks and Subway, and Arby's and Wendy's, coming in pretty close to last place. You can see that they are still turning profit, um, but they are still down there. Next we have fifth and sixth place, Chipotle's, Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen, Church's Chicken, and Dairy Queen. You can see that the numbers they appear to be getting a little bit closer, but there's still a big difference. Next we have positions 7 and 8, Taco Bell, Jersey Mike's, Burger King, and White Castle. You can see that even though things like, or places like Burger King may have over 7,000 locations and still pulling in $1.2 million per location on average, but it still isn't enough. Finally, we have positions 9 and 10. These are the ones that are at the bottom of the list for the ones going up, and the bottom of the list for the ones going down. Next we have the trends for annual sales. We can see that McDonald's is way above the rest. Can be explained by them being one of the oldest and brilliant, brilliant, brilliant marketing over the years. They have done very well. Kind of leave everyone else in the dust, especially since they have right now about as many locations as Starbucks. Next we can see the locations by chain. It's very clear to see that Subway has about twice as many locations as McDonald's. Um, they're coming in this last year, 2014, at about 27,000 locations compared to McDonald's having just over 14,000. So what actually affects this? Negative effects would be poor customer service, training opportunities, poor choice of locations, unhealthy menu options such as heavy fried foods. Other positive effects could be outstanding customer service, positive brand image, marketing, healthy menu options, and uh, broad appeal to a different, diverse set of customers. These factors directly affect failure and success. Too many locations that are doing poorly or too few locations doing good, doing well. Location of those locations, catering to a niche market, um, good alignment of ordering or properly trained staff, exceptional customer service. These are all things that can bring customers to you or push them away. The recommendation is to go with Starbucks. They have shown considerable improvement over the past couple of years. They have expanded over 1,200 stores, and they have shown an increase in revenue continuously over the past 4 years as well. This makes them a very strong contender and a very good investment. Starbucks has shown a $24,000 plus minimal annual increase per year over the past 4 years, and they've also added over 300 locations per year. This is an excellent growth factor. However, that's not to say that there are not some risks involved. Starbucks isn't for everybody. Some people don't like the way the coffee tastes. Some people just don't like the brand. But there are still plenty of places left to expand into, plenty of large cities, and different areas that could be considered break-in markets. A lot of it up there in the Northeast, and some down in the Southeast as well. As far as sanitation goes, it's not a whole lot of specialized equipment. What equipment there is, it is very specialized, but it doesn't go through a wide range of equipment. You don't have, like a burger joint would have fryers and uh, grills and wrap stations and all that stuff. Starbucks has coffee machines and sinks and water and ice. It's a lot less to take care of. The way weather would affect, well, cold days, customers like warm drinks. On warm days, customers would be looking for cooler drinks. And most importantly, coffee is not really a refreshing drink. It is more of a habit forming drink. So you have people that wake up every morning and they can't function without their coffee. I'm one of them. To sum everything up, Starbucks coffee. It's a place that people will go year round. There should not be any shortage, no matter where you go, of customers looking for a nice, soothing beverage to take their mind off of things or even for a nice atmosphere to relax in.